The handsets for all our beds have 4 pairs of functionality buttons for raising and lowering the backrest, platform, knee brake, and reverse Trendelenburg feature. The backrest buttons will raise and lower the head section up to 70 degrees. The platform buttons will raise and lower the platform from a minimum height of 40 cm to a maximum height of 80 cm on a standard bed, or from a minimum height of 23 cm to a maximum height of 63 cm on a low entry bed for self-transferring, caregiving, or sleep time. The knee brake buttons will raise and lower the knee brake. When lowering from the highest position, you can listen for the clicks on the bed ratchet, of which there are 5, and once at your desired level, you can then re-raise the knee brake to give you 5 separate levels of calf elevation. The reverse Trendelenburg feature only has 1 button on the Allura and Dali 2 beds, and 2 buttons on the Dali Echo 3 bed and the Junior bed. The button on the Allura and Dali 2 version will only tilt the bed head end up and foot end down until it is in its final position, with the platform button becoming that particular bed version's reset button. The Dali Echo 3 bed and the Junior bed again have 1 button that will only tilt the bed head end up and foot end down until it is in its final position, and have a second button which acts as the reset button for these particular bed versions. In each case, all versions, you must take the bed to its highest or lowest position to reset the bed motors before going on to use functionality as previously described. There are 2 versions of the handset. One which has a total lockout function with a removable key which locks the whole handset, and one which has individual selective lockouts, which must be used with the Junior version to comply with the bed standard BSEN 50637 2017.